Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shaping what others first notice, your clothes. Start with a quick audit of roughly 20 core pieces, separate keep, mend, and donate piles, and make 2 immediate buys, one well-fitting blazer and one classic coat. You do this because structure and proportion read as refinement. Once done, take the blazer to a tailor so sleeves and shoulders sit precisely. Make sure to favor natural fabrics and muted colors because they last visually and materially, which is the backbone of the old money look. Once your base is sorted, shift to details that signal taste rather than trend. You refine by replacing flashy logos with quality accessories. A smooth leather belt, a minimalist watch, simple loafers, these anchor outfits without shouting. You also simplify patterns, small checks or fine stripes read timeless, and swap synthetic blends for wool or cotton for texture and drape. Make sure your grooming matches. A conservative haircut, trimmed nails, and a light, clean scent reinforce an understated, confident. To finish, turn aesthetics into habits so the look feels effortless. You cultivate slow, intentional purchasing, spend more per item but buy less frequently, and prioritize tailoring and care. Wardrobe longevity matters more than constant novelty. Once confident, integrate mannerisms, upright posture, measured speech, and a steady routine. These amplify perception of pedigree. If something reads wrong, fix fit first. When an item still stands out, swap it for a neutral piece. This single troubleshooting tip will solve most mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.